And they say our community can't come together, right?
Yeah, you're right. Nah.
How you doing? You hanging in there? All right. Sherry? All right.
No, it's gonna fall off. It's not secure.
My wife's name is Sherry. All right, gentlemen, I'm going to get my roll.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thanks.
Is she answering?
Yeah, yeah, she's still conscious.
Slide it to the back wall. All the way to the back. Leg braces facing to the top.
Yeah.
All the way back.
All right.
Push it all the way back.
We're going to take her to the police one.
Well, they gotta take her to a hospital. They got that kind of.
Self.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right, okay.
Bring the next person in. Who's going with her? And bring the medic in.
All right, Dave, just call.
Yeah,
Let me step. Let me step out.
you praying, Doc?
Oh, my goodness. You sweating. And, huh? All right. Call Dave. All right, Dave. Love y'all, man.
Watch your head. No doubt.
All right, Shay. Oh. Is she talking? Yeah, she's talking.
Yeah, she's talking. All right, thanks, man.
So long to the hut. She needs more blood. She needs more. Yeah, her blood pressure couldn't drop her. Yeah, so long, losing so much blood. Yeah. Jesus, like that.
Everybody down to here? Y'all, when I get down this hill, hopefully.
I'm gonna put you down.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, this is an army. Yeah.
Oh, I got it.
They did 3 different routes though.
Hands.
They had called them this week. They had to come this week. Called them this time.
Look at that. Even that's sliding.
Give them some traction, Lord. They can get through here.
Yes, Lord. Come on, you can do it. They need a push or something? Back, yeah.
Need to push
Watch
it.
out, y'all. Do they need a push? Or
You need a push, Sarge?
No, they need some sure enough Hummers out here.
Sarge,
ain't this a? I mean, ain't this kind of like a Hummer style?
Yeah, a Hummer style. They need one of them ones that was on Dante's Peak when they was having the volcano and that joint humped that thing like wow. They need one of them.
It's amazing, man. It's getting. This ain't no snow to play with. We got any shovels? Probably can help.
They all the way up the street.
Who? You want to try use a shovel
They
to?
to shovel them wheels out. You need to shovel the wheels. And they got some good tires on there, but they. You want me?
Yeah.
The extra weight.
Can we borrow your shovel?
You gotta dig it out.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah. The devil is a liar.
Where's that shovel at?
Any more shovels? Everybody around?
Really ain't no.
These girls so wet, man.
Yeah, go forward. We got more weight. So,
I know, right?
mark the tracks a little.
I just got up and I heard them out here and I heard somebody out here hollering.
Watch your stuff right there. Watch
And
his
you
feet
know
on
what's
one
crazy?
very
Because I was like, because the kids kept saying, my one phone on the phone, I was like, yeah, I was like, I hope everybody all right. And I was like, I'm going to walk up the street. Because I told Shay I'll be up there later on today just to check on her. Because last night she was laying on the chair. She was just laying there. When I took Mari down there to get her clothes, she was just laying down there. Yes. It's the only one you can call on to get it through here. Yeah. Yes. Waiting for a long time. We had to keep this for the record books.
we go.
Then they said the helicopters ain't even coming out and driving in this. Yeah, they'd have got her out of here by now. They might could back out now. Here, Reg. Here you go. Yeah.
It went out.
No, it ain't go. I was still recording.
Okay.
Alright, let me see what that side looks like.
The other show on the other side.
Back up, huh? Let me see. I don't know. Alright. I'm trying to back up and then go forward. Hop into it now, Rado. Alright. Hop in. You want some movement? I'm trying to get the momentum to keep going.
Uh-huh.
Remember, let me see if it works.
I don't know if they'll need it again or not.
Yeah, it need to be for clarity before the car.
Come on. All right, starting to work it. Come on. Bless him, Lord. Bless him, Lord. Yeah. That thing moving. Get it moving. Come on.
Reggie, how about digging the front wheel?
Try it out.
Cause you like that little hump that's right there.
It's a hump in front of the tires.
That little hump that's right there.
Keep it in action in the footage.
It's like that little hump right there in the middle, Reg.
Huh?
Where Munchie kicking at? I know our kids feeling about neglected right about now. He talking about cool. My hand's freezing. Mine too. That's why I had to give it up.
Excuse me, can we borrow your shovel real quick? Alright. Hold on, we got another shovel coming.
Okay.
This what to cut off.
It's probably go off.
It is.
10 minutes.
No, 7 seconds.